I am Dr. Vita. I help women who have irregular periods, infertility, PCOS, fibroids, etc., etc. I'm all about the reproductive system. Now, I want you to subscribe to my YouTube channel. I want you to like this video, and I want you to share it with other people. Other people need to have great hormonal health. So I'm always talking about eating organic, but that can be pricey. So today I'm just going to talk about some ways that you can eat an organic diet on a low budget. Listen, if anybody knows how to budget, it's me. If anybody knows how to save a coin, it's me. And so today I'm going to teach you some of the tips that I use in my own life and that I've also taught others on how to eat organic for less. Number one, grow it. Seeds are so inexpensive. And all you do is you take the seed, you throw it in some soil, give it light, and then voila, you've got a beautiful plant. My spring garden is so ready. I have 22 plants that I've grown from seed. The total cost for that was about $35 to buy all of the seeds, the soil. I used recycled pots, and there we go. I'm going to be able to get herbs and food for many, many seasons to come. So if you just grow your own, don't be intimidated by it. Just try it. Grow your own organic food in organic soil that you're not putting any pesticides on. You will save a lot of money. I've done it myself. Number two, seasonal buying. Buy fruits and vegetables that are in season. It's so much cheaper. So right now, the farmers are trying to get rid of certain fruits. They're trying to get rid of certain vegetables, and you can really take advantage of that. Buy what's in season. The farmers have bulk amounts of them, and they're usually on sale. So go ahead, go. It's so easy to figure out which fruits and vegetables are in season. Do a quick Google search, and then those are the foods that you and your family can eat organic for that particular season. Number three, eat less meat. I love meat. I love good, organic, grass-fed meat. But the price tag is heavy on meat. So if you want good quality meats, you're going to be spending a pretty penny. And so you could decrease your meat consumption. Don't eliminate it completely. I want you to get good quality meats. But just decrease your meat consumption so that you can save on that price tag. Also, you can get to know your local free-range farmer. Develop a relationship with them. And maybe they'll catch you a little discount, or maybe you can buy meat in bulk. For example, I know people that will go to a particular farm and then they will buy the goat in bulk, or they'll split it with other people. They know that they're getting a good quality animal straight from the farm, and they're able to split the meat for like $50, and that gives them a month's worth of meat. So consider that. Just eat less meat. I know it's hard. It's so hard. Number four, buy in bulk. Buy lots of vegetables at a time. This is excellent. If you just go ahead and create a list of the staples, buy a whole bunch of them. We know in my household, we eat lots of onions. We eat lots of sweet onions. We eat lots of tomatoes. And so we know that every time we go to the grocery store, we just buy a whole bunch of it. And so when you weigh it, the price actually ends up being cheaper whenever you buy it at certain times. So you can shop for sales. So if I know that there's a big tomato sale going on, or there's a big sale on mangoes, oh my gosh, mangoes, I can go and get my organic mangoes and just buy them in bulk. Okay, so just shop around for deals. I used to cut coupons. It's so hard to find coupons for produce, but you know, some places still have it. Kroger, for example, is where I'll go and I'll get coupons and go get my produce. So just whenever there's a sale, just go and buy loads of it. I have even been known to buy lots of kale and collard greens, and I'll freeze some of it. So we'll chop it up and then put it in the freezer and then just remove it as needed. That works really well. So it's not that hard to eat organic on a budget. I'm always on a budget. I will always be on a budget. And so these are some tips that have helped me reduce that shopping price. What about you? I want you to subscribe to my YouTube channel. I want you to like this video. I want you to comment below some tips that you have developed when shopping on a budget. I look forward to interacting with you more. I hope you're following me on Instagram. The links are down below. And if you're trying to get pregnant, hop on over in my free Facebook group, Supplements to Enhance Fertility. I'm Dr. Vita. Thank you for watching. To everlasting health.